Good morning, students. In last video we had done how the ionization enthalpy changes in a group from top to bottom. Now we have to move towards period. How the ionization enthalpy will change in a period. First we'll take second period elements. In second period we have lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Okay, live BBC news on Friday night. You have to remember these elements. कैसे बताया? Live BBC news on Friday night. Now we'll write atomic number. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you write their configuration, then it would be helium 2s1. It's helium 2s2. For boron, it's helium 2s2, 2p1. Then it's helium 2s2, 2p2. Then it is helium 2s2, 2p3. For oxygen, 2s2, 2p4. Fluorine, it is 2s2, 2p5. And for neon, which is inert gas, it would be helium 2s2, 2p6. Fully filled electronic configuration, stable electronic configuration for neon. Now as we move left to right in a period, in second period elements, we see that atomic number increase means positive charge of nucleus increases, but number of orbit remains same. See, principal quantum number for the last orbit is 2 only. So as we move left to right, atomic number increase, positive charge of nucleus increase, but electron is added in the same orbit. Number of orbit remain same. If number of orbit remains same, then the screening effect will be less. Positive charge of nucleus is more. So if nucleus have more positive charge, then what will happen? Electrons will be more attracted toward it. So cloud will shrink. It will be difficult to remove the electron. So what happen as we move left to right? Left to right in a period, what will happen? Positive charge of nucleus increase, proton increase, so positive charge of nucleus increases, but number of orbit remains same. Number of orbit remain same. So shielding effect, screening effect, not increases. Screening effect, not increases. Attraction more, attraction of electron more. स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट से अट्रैक्शन कम होता है, यहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट बढ़ नहीं रहा है, तो अट्रैक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डिक्रीजेस. अट्रैक्शन डिक्रीज मींस आयनाइजेशन, सॉरी, अट्रैक्शन इंक्रीजेस. सो आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी विल बी मोर. सो एज यू मूव लेफ्ट टू राइट, आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी ऑलवेज इंक्रीजेस. साइज छोटा होता जाता है. अगर आप लिथियम को देखो तो इट विल बी बिगर इन साइज, आवडું મોટું હશે. એની કમ્પેરિઝનમાં ફ્લોરિન અને નિયોન, આ તો ઇનર્ટ ગેસ છે, પણ ફ્લોરિનની સાઇઝ સાવ નાની આવડી. નાનકડી સાઇઝ હોય, ઇલેક્ટ્રોનના અટ્રેક્શન એ વધારે જ હોય, તો કેવી રીતના તમે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન બહાર કાઢી શકો? બહુ બધી એનર્જી આપવી પડે if you want to remove the electron. So left to right in a period, ionization enthalpy always increases because valence electron more attracted toward the nucleus. Now there are two exceptions. First we'll draw a graph for it and then we'll see what are the exceptions in this. Ionization enthalpy increases. Okay. How the ionization enthalpy changes in a period. Here if we take ionization enthalpy and here atomic number. Atomic number, here ionization enthalpy. सबसे कम किसका होता है? Lithium. After that, beryllium. Then boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and then neon. These are two exceptions. What is the reason? ग्राफ सीधा ऊपर जाना चाहिए था. But there are two exceptions. First exception is beryllium has more ionization enthalpy than boron. Ionization enthalpy of beryllium is more than ionization enthalpy of boron. What is the reason? See, electronic configuration of beryllium is helium, atomic number 4 होता है 2s2. Here it is helium 2s2 2p1. Now there is one factor on which ionization enthalpy depend, and that is penetration power. Penetration power मतलब हर ऑर्बिटल का penetration power अलग अलग होता है. SPDF. जैसे अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन s ऑर्बिटल में प्रेजेंट है तो s ऑर्बिटल इज नियर टू द न्यूक्लियस. तो if electron is there in s orbital, it will be more attracted toward the nucleus. If it is in p orbital, it will be quite away, and d and f are slight away from s and p electrons toward the nucleus. In same orbit I am talking about, for same principal quantum number. Suppose we are talking about second प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर, सेकंड ऑर्बिट के लिए बात करते हैं, तो सेकंड ऑर्बिट में दो ऑर्बिटल होते हैं 2s और 2p. किसका पेनिट्रेशन पावर ज्यादा? 2s का ज्यादा. सपोज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट थर्ड ऑर्बिट, देन इट हैज 3 ऑर्बिटल 3s 3p and 3d, which has more penetration power 3s 3p and 3d in this order. Suppose we are talking about n equal to fourth orbit, then s orbital more attraction, then p, then d and then f. Penetration power means अट्रैक्शन टुवर्ड द न्यूक्लियस, क्योंकि सबसे न्यूक्लियस के पास जो ऑर्बिटल प्रेजेंट होता है वो कौन है? s है. तो s में अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन फील्ड है तो वो न्यूक्लियस की तरफ ज्यादा अट्रैक्टेड होगा, उसको पेनिट्रेशन पावर बोलते हैं. तो दिस इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ पेनिट्रेशन पावर. क्या वर्ड यूज किया है? पेनिट्रेशन पावर. विच ऑर्बिटल इज वेरी मच नियर टू द न्यूक्लियस? s ऑर्बिटल. सी नाउ इन बेरिलियम एंड बोरोन, here the electron is to be removed from 2s orbital. Here electron is to be removed from 2p orbital. બેરિલિયમ માં ઇલેક્ટ્રોન 2s માંથી કાઢવાનું છે બહાર, અને બોરોન માં 2p માંથી બહાર કાઢવાનું છે. किसका पेनिट्रेशन पावर ज्यादा है? 2s का. 2s orbital near to the nucleus, attraction more, so more energy required to remove compared to boron. Boron में electron is to be removed from 2p orbital, which has not much attraction as in 2s orbital. So ionization enthalpy of beryllium is more. So why ionization enthalpy is more? Because in this beryllium, electron to be removed from 2s orbital, which is near to the nucleus, टू न्यूक्लियस. और जितना न्यूक्लियस के पास होगा उतना अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होगा. और इसमें 2p में से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना है. इलेक्ट्रॉन टू बी रिमूव फ्रॉम 2p ऑर्बिटल. पेनिट्रेशन पावर ऑफ 2s इज मोर, so it will be difficult to remove in beryllium, and hence the ionization enthalpy of beryllium is more than that of boron. Second exception is for nitrogen and oxygen. होना ऐसा चाहिए था कि अगर अपन लेफ्ट टू राइट जा रहे हैं तो आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इंक्रीज होनी चाहिए, तो ऑक्सीजन की नाइट्रोजन से ज्यादा आनी चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन की ज्यादा है, ऑक्सीजन की कम है. व्हाई देयर आर टू एक्सेप्शन, नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन? सी, नाइट्रोजन एटॉमिक नंबर 7, ऑक्सीजन एटॉमिक नंबर 8. इफ यू राइट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, देन दिस वुड बी हीलियम 2s2 2p3. हियर इट वुड बी हीलियम 2s2 2p4. If you write according to Hund's rule, then there are 3 electrons in 2p orbital. This is 2p and here it is 2p4. Now if we see this electronic configuration, we come to know that here the configuration is half filled. Maximum capacity p ની કેટલી છે? 6. 3 filled છે, means it is half filled. And in second chapter we had done half filled orbital means more stable configuration. अगर स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है और आप उसमें से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को लेने जाओगे तो वो आपको लेने नहीं देगा इलेक्ट्रॉन. More energy required to remove the electron. While in oxygen, if it remove one electron, then it will become stable. After losing one electron, it become stable. तो इन्हें तो गम से स्टेबल થાવ. રિમૂવ કર્યા પછી સ્ટેબલ થાય છે. એટલે આમાંથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોન કાઢવું આની કમ્પેરિઝનમાં ઈઝી પડશે, ભલે સાઇઝ નાની છે, but it will be easy to remove electron from oxygen compared to nitrogen. What is the reason? Because nitrogen has electronic configuration half filled, and half filled, completely filled orbitals have more stability and very difficult to remove electron from stable electronic configuration. Clear? So these are two exceptions for ionization enthalpy of beryllium boron and nitrogen and oxygen. Suppose we talk about third period element. We talk about third period elements that are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Atomic numbers are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Suppose we write ionization enthalpies for this group, this period element, second period element. Then sodium has ionization enthalpy of 496 kilojoule per mole. Clear? Magnesium has ionization enthalpy 737 kilojoule per mole, while aluminium has ionization enthalpy of 786 kilojoule per mole. Clear? Sodium, magnesium, silicon. Silicon has 786 kilojoule per mole. What do you expect? What should be the ionization enthalpy of aluminium? इन दोनों के बीच में आनी चाहिए, because as we move left to right, ionization enthalpy increases. Clear? 496, 737, यहाँ पे 786 है, इसकी राउंड अबाउट 750, 760, मतलब इन दोनों के बीच में आनी चाहिए, आना चाहिए. लेकिन एल्यूमिनियम का आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी 575 या 760, कौन सा आना चाहिए वो पूछ रहा है हमसे, whether it is 575 और 760 किलोजूल पर मोल, कौन सी करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. तो अगर ट्रेंड के हिसाब से देखें, लेफ्ट टू राइट आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इंक्रीज, 737 से ज्यादा ये है, इससे ये कम है, तो होना आंसर ये चाहिए था, है ना. लेकिन ये नहीं, आंसर कौन सा है, एल्यूमिनियम का ऊपर वाला 575. व्हाट इज द रीजन? क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया? एज यू मूव लेफ्ट टू राइट, आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इंक्रीज. दिस वैल्यू इज 496, 737, इसका 786 है. इन दोनों में से एल्यूमिनियम के लिए कौन सी वैल्यू होनी चाहिए, 760 और 575. If you see the regular trend, it should be 760, but correct answer is 575. Now what is the reason? Reason is penetration power. फिर इतना, if you write configuration for magnesium and aluminium, electronic configuration of magnesium is neon 3s2, and here it is neon 3s2 3p1. Again the same reason as we had done in beryllium and boron. Here electron to be removed from s orbital, here electron to be removed from p orbital of same orbit. Which has more penetration power? 3s. So it is difficult to remove electron from 3s compared to 3p orbitals. So reason is penetration power of 3s electron is more than 3p electron as s orbital is near to the nucleus. S orbital near to the nucleus. More penetration power, more attraction of electron toward nucleus. So ionization enthalpy would be high. So magnesium have more ionization enthalpy than aluminium. Then again it will be regular trend for silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, and so this is the exception regarding ionization enthalpy. So we had done left to right, ionization enthalpy increases top to bottom in a period, always ionization enthalpy decreases. Both the reasons explained by atomic radius. And we had completed about ionization enthalpy, that successive ionization enthalpy always increases. Matlab third ionization enthalpy is more than second, second is more than first. That reason also we had completed. So this is second periodic property for ionization enthalpy. Now in next video, we will do third periodic property, and that is electron gain enthalpy. Okay.